Hello. My name is Fra. I'm with my colleague. Uh, we are going to present about our project that was done in PDO by using a class. Our project name is called Window Transfer for Players in Rwanda National Premier League Football. Our project was about to create a website which will allow both buyer and seller to create his account, and that account will he or she will be able to buy or to sell a player according to their account. We are going to show how it is work step by step. Let me allow Alliance to show everyone we have in our project in order to continue to show another things. So let us start.
As what my colleague said, he explained how the project is working. Now we are going to show you how it works. Now here we have the page which is called the login page. Here the user must create the account or login if they have an account in this project. So let me make login as register as a new user. Here I have details to make the login. Let me create username as AP manager as a username and password. And email. Then after make register. I get the message which is called the registration has been successful. Now I can make the login with the credentials for the user I have created. Logged in successful because I used the valid credential. So here on this current page opportunity we have dashboard, add the player. On this dashboard is where all the activities are stored. On add the player, if you want to add a new player, we can click here. My players is the players that you have in your database. Market player is the players that are in the market. View the request is the one who sent you to he or she want to buy a new player and the status. Let me add a new player. Here I create a new player if I want to register the new player. This player I have to create, I want to set her on the market. Let me call the name of player name, penny ID. C is The picture is uploaded. Position. The contract. This is the first is start contract and the end of the contract. Input this. Then after create the prayer. So you have seen here session ID, the number is not complete, then create prayer. So now my prayer was set on the market. Go back. If I view in my prayers, you have see as my prayer I have created and on the market is this one. If I want to update this prayer, I can update him or delete or add on the market, and I can view the details of this prayer. Let me delete. So if here after deleting prayer, I get this no prayers found because I have deleted the prayers that I have. So let me go back. Yes. Now I can see the price data on the market. Here we have to wait for 2 minutes for the session to unlock the market. Can wait now.
Thank you. She was tell about how does everything work step by step, but I'm going to continue where she stopped by trying to convince or to show more what she was not telling you. Let us start by here log out. For the logout, as the validation you have told us to do, we have done about session. You cannot go back. You will get the message that tell you first you must log it in. And for the forgot password, if you forgot password, you can click on forgot password and again get the field to put your email in order to set your password. No time to lose, let us do quickly in order to show more because we have our project is very big. Let us back on the login and then, for example, let us log it in as an existing account. We have a PR manage and his password. As you see, you cannot put the password which is not have at least 8 characters and include the uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. This is another validation we have done in our project. So let us put the strong password that we have set. Let us put new existing. As you see, registration successful. And for this, the interface, as in our project is built, you cannot have an admin because this website will allow every buyer or seller to reach the same interface. So if they see the same interface, they will not see the same functionality. As the buyer, he will see on her own information, and the seller will see on her own information, because we need to he that account he created, he will need to buy by using that account, and he will need to sell by using that account. That is why in our project you have not admin, but the functionality is the different. As the buyer, he will see only what he wants to order, he will see only prayers, he will see only their request status, but he will not see the other request status, and he will not see others prayers. What here is common is the market prayers. This link. At this link, all prayers on the market, they will store in this link, which means that everyone who logged in and he wanted to buy a prayer, he will go in this link and he will see all prayers that are on the market. The difference between the buyer and the sellers in this page is that the buyer, he will see only her prayers, and the seller, he will see only her own prayers. So let us show you step by step in order to be understandable and to be confused. So let us start by the prayers. As I said, I logged in as existing created account. In this existing created account, I think you have seen here the message that say that welcome as the name logged in. Here, let us go in my prayers. As my prayers, I will see only my prayers that I have been registered. Let us click on my prayers. As you see here, I have registered two only prayers. Here there is so many options, as my colleague she told about. Uh, she told about to update, read details. As see here, you can see all the details of prayers, and here you can update. For example, let us call Musanga. Let us choose existing picture in order to make a good updation for our page. Let us make update. As you see here, Ruvumbu has been inserted into Musanga for Christian. And for this option, it is where we will click if you want to put our prayer at the market. As an example, let us click on the add to market. As you see here, there is a message that say your Sangamfura Christi has added to the market successfully. If we go on the market, we will not see, because the only one to buy is only who will see the player who are at the market. So if we tried to make a logout and log in as a buyer, let us use maybe the buyer manager. Let's go on the market players. For this, we are getting the message that say that money transfer is currently located. So in our code, when we was programming, was set the condition that say if the Mercato is on, the page will be appear at this website, or if the or if or if a market is on, this message will not be displayed. While we wait this time to get up, let us show in the code where we have set this condition so that you can set like 3 months, 4 months, or 5 months according to what you want to set in your website. The reason why you have set 2 minutes only is to be easy to present our project, but let us show you in the code where I have set this condition. As you see here, you cannot develop something like this without using JavaScript. We have used JavaScript that will help us to set that time in order to lock the market or to unlock the market. As you see here, there is 2 minutes, and we can edit if you want. We can edit to put 3 months, 4 months according to our choice. And let us back and see if the market will be opened. Let us wait. Automatically, if the time is up, market will be unlocked and see all players on the market. As you see here, the market is opened. There is nothing I do. It is the code and the condition you have set. So while we are going on the market in the time which is not to buy and sell, you will get that message show you the market is located, and it indicated that when the market will be reopen again. So here you see, as you see, we are allowed to request a player who we found at the market. Let us make request. Request press successful, but as you see here, time it's get up while we finished to request, and then back. After back, the only who register this player is only who will see the requests. Let us make logout and login as APR, because APR is the only who registered that player we have finished to request. And let us log in as APR in order to see if who is requested our player. Let us if we come here to view request, we will see the name who requested our player, and we will be able to accept or reject. Let us see. Okay, as you see here, we have seen requested by Ray. As you see here, is the name who requested our prayer. We will accept or reject according to our choice, because the prayer is still our own. Cannot buy while we don't want. Can click. Let us, for example, click on accept. They will receive the message that should tell you you are sure you want to accept this prayer. So here, in case you clicked here as a mistake, you will be cancelled. And let us do with no mistake. You will receive the message that tell you are accept successful. To move the status for user ID. This user ID, it is the name who requested that prayer. I think it is all what we have done Thank you very much.